Good morning, and welcome to Team 3, also known as Rangefire Golf's final presentation. My name is Bryce Smith, and up here with me is Manny Martinez and Stephen Rich. The other members of our group, Jacob Hunter, Peter Cahill, and Kenny Rose are in the back row. Next slide, please. I'd like to start our presentation off today by telling you all a little bit about the product justification. What is our product? Our product is a semi-automated, portable golf ball placing machine. Basically, what we were trying to do is create a product that the average golfer could take out to the golf course or use out in his backyard, wherever it is that he or she happens to want to practice his swing that day. Set it up, and the machine would deliver the ball onto the tee for him without him or her having to repeatedly set the ball back up on the tee, which is almost unrelated to golf and cumbersome in most cases.
Given the design goals which we had established and evaluated in the house of quality, we set out to create some design alternatives, which I'm going to briefly over.
My name is Stephen Rich, and I'll be covering the equations that we used to attach the spring to the arm. It was just a simple inverted pendulum where the ball is at the end, and we have you can see the forces on the free body diagram on the right. This is a video demonstration of the machine working. As you can see, his hand hits the remote there, it comes out, and he drops it right onto the tee. And then he can hit it right off the tee. Okay, the next video is a setup of it. And as you can see, it takes 5 steps to completely set it up, and you're ready to hit it. And that one, the trigger is actually on the golf club. It's 4-time markup on $34. That's including the assembly cost, and the 4-time markup was $138. 138. We tested it as much as we could.
How many times? No, we tested an amount of 50 times, and then I think we had it failed 7 times among the 50, and then we just multiplied it by 2 instead of just testing it over 100 times. So that's how we came up with that.
It would take over, the average golfer would hit 100 times, and it's 50 trips to the golf course, and that comes from comparable tees. So we actually made our own tee, but it's of the same material, and that's the amount it will take.
Okay, say I'm a lousy golfer and I break one.
Yeah.
How difficult is it can you send me the part? Can I fix it myself, or do I have to send the machine back to you?
I think you would have to. I think we'd have to manufacture our own parts. It's custom made. We made our own tee, so I don't think you could order a tee that would actually fit on there. It's one piece. It's the arm out to the tee and the tee itself. So it's a custom piece. You have to order it from us.
So basically, then y'all would send me a carton, and I would put it in the carton and send it back to you.
We would send you a new one. You would order a new one from us. Yeah.
The part, as an individual part, you would order that, and then we would send you that, and then it's really easy to unscrew those. Yeah, it's really easy to install.
It's attached with one bolt.
Well, you have to understand the average person is not that mechanically inclined.
The most vulnerable part on the machine will last 50 trips to the driving range. And as we stated in the beginning of the trip, the average golfer, the adult core golfer takes on average 8 trips to the golfing range a year. So we're hoping that wouldn't be an issue in the immediate 1-2 year time frame. But a warranty of a reasonable amount of time of 5 years would be acceptable.
Thank you.
Yes. anybody actually hit off. We did take it to golf ranges, and we asked golf pros, and we spoke to them about the design idea, and we asked them if they thought it was worthwhile. And we also went to the local golf retailers, where they have trainers, like the Golf Mart has the golf school. And we talked to those guys, and they were very excited about the idea. They'd never seen anything like it before. And we asked them, would they like something like this? Do you think golfers would like it? And what should we do to make it stronger? And what are the reasons why it would be good? And they were all approved. Batteries and cycles.
On the 6 AA batteries.
How did you figure that?
The amperage, we know the current draw on the motor, and we also know the voltage that the motor runs on. We also know the voltage that the circuit runs on, and we know the amount of time that the cycle runs for. And we also know that the idle current draw, so we estimated it because the battery has a amperage hour rating, and we calculated it.
Okay. Any other questions out here?
When we ran the prop for the reliability, we ran it 50 times, but I mean we never tried to drain the batteries or anything like that.
We were actually short on time. I was building the circuit, and that was only done like 2-3 days ago. So we had to do all these tests for a short amount of time.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much for your presentations.